we are going to discuss about predicting students' final performance using artificial neural network. This is the overview of our project. Artificial intelligence is based on algorithms that allow machines to make decisions for humans. This technology enhances the user's experience in various ways. Several studies have been conducted in the field of education to solve the problem of student orientation and performance using various machine learning algorithms. The system is developed the different classification algorithm such as artificial neural network and adaboost classifier. Finally, the experimental results shows that accuracy for both algorithms. The scope of this project is to compare the sum of the state of art learning algorithms. Then we can visualize the data in the form of graph. Finally, we can predict or analyze the students' performance, such as either the performance is low or high or medium. This is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. First we have to take student final performance dataset. Then select the collected input dataset by using pandas package. Then the selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. In this step we have to handle missing values. So here only we have check any missing values is present in your dataset. If you have any missing values in our dataset, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or non-values. Then label encoding. So this is we encode the data into labels. Thus we have to convert the string into numeric integer value. The pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we have splitted the whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. Based on ratio we have splitted our data set. Then the splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented two different classification algorithm. One is ANN and other one is adaboost algorithm for predicting the performance is high, medium or low. Then after that we are estimate some performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, confusion matrix. Then prediction. So this is the flow of our project. This is the output of our project. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So the first one is data selection. So this is the result for data selection. Here just we are selected our input data set by using pandas package. Here we are displayed some sample of data from your data set. Then pre-processing. So handling missing values. So here we have to check any missing values is present in our data set. If you have any missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or some mean or median values. So the zero means there is no missing values in corresponding column. Then before label encoding, so here label encoding means we are converted the string into numeric integer value. So this is the string which is present in our data set. After label encoding, so the string are converted into some numeric integer value. Then data splitting module. Here we have splitted the whole data set into test and training. Test is used for prediction, like that. So this is the total number of data which is present in our data set. After splitting your whole data set, so this is the train data, so this is the test data. Then deep learning algorithm, so ANN. So this is the result for ANN, that is the accuracy. We got accuracy in ANN for 93%. So this is the confusion matrix for ANN. Then adaboost, so performance analyzer. So this is the adaboost algorithm, accuracy, then confusion matrix, and adaboost classifier. Then prediction. So prediction means here we are predicting performance like low, high, or medium. Then so this is the visualization, just have to count for our class based on grade. So these are the outputs of our project. Thank you.